Welcome everyone to Weekly News and DW with major tidbits, and the topic for this video is...
Here are some page news commentary for your convenience. Mga nagpoprotesta sa Pasig galing QC. Nang nagkaroon ng isang pagkikilos protesta laban sa pagpapatayo ni Pasig Mayor Vico Sotto ng bagong Pasig City Hall, parang unti-unti na natin nakikita or na-unravel. Especially since vine-venerate natin si Mayor Vico Sotto. Now, in all realities, Vico Sotto is a fantastic mayor that lives up to the idealistic millennial politician. Hemplo ng cream of rap. Pero when we saw the protesters na umaati hall, yung kanyang trono ay nagiging big waste of public fund.
Yung iba, o halos lahat, pero minabuta yung 9 billion. Pagtingin na, punta po kayo sa gilid ng City Hall, makikita niyo yung mga crack, napakalaki na, nakakatakot na po sa loob. Marami naman po, kung sino po yung mga taga-Pasig dito, nakikita niyo naman po kahit sa loob. Pero alam ko po, yung iba sa inyo galing QC at Caloocan. Sino po galing QC? Yun, o, kita mo ha. Kung sinong galing Caloocan? Wala, taga-QC, mga taga-QC. Mga taga-QC po sila. So yan po, mga hapot siguro ng St. Gerard dito. Kita nyo po yung mga dirty tactics. Pero yung mga taga-Pasig, pero kahit po dami naman akong kaibigan dun eh. Wala naman po problema kung may tanong po kayo. Willing po ako kasi bukas tayo.
Pero when we think of it, there's a twist just around the corner. Nalaman ng kinonfront ni Vico Sotto yung mga nagpo-protest na hindi pala sila taga-Pasig, which kind of defeats the whole purpose or the voice of his people narrative na malamang sa malamang is just a way to why may makasuhan ako. Pero malapit na ang 2025 midterm election. And in all realities, si Vico ay tatakbo again for his second term as the mayor of the Pasig. Si Vico ay tatakbo again for his second term as the mayor of Pasig City. Meron siyang napatalsik. We wouldn't expect to be toppled just like that, especially a young millennial with little to no notoriety except his surname, and even that, mas malakas pa rin ang magiging political hold dapat nung political dynasty niyon, but apparently now I could be totally wrong. Malay mo, this is not a case of political or anything or any kind of political sabotage or guerrilla warfare. And of course, hindi ko sinasabi with certainty that the rival political clan is plotting a demolition job. Sort of dahil, again, wala namang patunay na sila or hindi sila is a little bit again, malapit na ang midterm selection at 25. Now, of course, I could say the same thing kay Antonio Trillanes IV or kay Rize. They're boosting their engagements and so distrust sa mga tao. But the funny thing here is that same with Bam Aquino, Risa Hontiveros, Chel Jokno, Chel Jokno. At the very least, they're trying to make themselves heard again by echoing dutiful sentiments. Yung talagang kailangan nating pamarisan, yung kailangan nating tanggalin, yung mga katiwalian, yung mga plunder against alleged plunder, promoting themselves to vote increase in injustices. Kung gagawa man tayo ng isang name for ourselves or make ourselves heard once more again when we are trying to ramp up the political machinery, well, at least ang gamitin tama nung kung sino man yung nag-ship sa mga tao from QC to Pasig para hindi naman sila yung tao or hindi naman sila na naapektuhan nun, di ba? I'm not even mad. Just disappointed. Hindi man lang sila kumuha sa sarili nilang lungsod ng isang fake opposition at gumawa ng hysteria laban sa incumbent. Ganun ba sila ka-insecure? I mean, it's a weird strategy. Pwede sana kung taga-Pasig, magiging believable na, you know, magagalit sila. Kasi again, sinabi rin ni Vico Sotto na it is admittable or a pretty pricey price tag para sa pagpapagawa ng bagong Pasig City Hall. And in all realities, the protest would be valid dahil again, malaki ang naging budget ng pagpapatayo ng bagong Pasig City Hall. Around 10 billion pesos according to some estimates na the purview of the people of Pasig and inquire. Maybe influence the people to inquire, but don't pay people from different city and ship them to another to protest something they're out of concern na hindi naman sila sistema. Kasi nga, again and again, hindi sila maaman ng pagpapagawa ng bagong Pasig City Hall kasi nakatira sila sa Quezon City. It would have been fine for destruction, demolition job campaign sa, I don't know, sa streets ng Pasig just so that they could focus the people sa Pasig City Hall. Pero kung gagawa ka ng isang demolition job which...
Sa totoo, gusto ko nga po nagtatanong mga tao, ibig sabihin may pakialam sila. Pag hindi nagtatanong, ibig sabihin walang pakialam. Diba? So malaki po talaga ito. Yung project natin na City Hall, medyo malaki po talaga. Kaya tama lang na magtanong ang mamamayan. Tama lang po na magtanong ang mamamayan. Pero, wag po sana na dahil sa masamang politika. Okay lang magtanong kung totoo yung tanong. Pero kung dahil po sa politika na gusto nila sila yung may hawak ng project, na gusto nila sila yung guguluhin nila kasi gusto nila sila yung nasa kapangyarihan, ibang usapan po yun. Pero kung tanong na totoo, tanong na gustong malaman saan ba mapupunta yung pera, okay lang yun. Hindi ako magagalit pag may magtanong kasi kung ako, gusto ko rin malaman. Tatanungin ko rin po yun. Maganda naman po may pakialam ang mga kapwa natin Pasigueño. Pero kung nagbabayad ng troll farm sa Facebook, nagbabayad para mag-attend ng rally, masama po yan. Diba? Hindi po maganda yan. Tanong, ba't kagagastos ng ganun kalaki para sa ganun? So,
Sir, sorry, nasan po yung organizer?
Hindi po namin alam, pinick up na po kami.
Pinick up? Saan po kayo pinick up? Taga Quezon City po kayo. Saan po sa Quezon City? Holy Spirit? Ano po sabi sa inyo?
Wala, ganun lang.
Ano pong sabi?
Ganun lang po, ma'am.
Paano po? Pupunta kayo sa Pasig, tapos po, hahawakan niyo yung tarpaulin, ganun po ba?
Oo.
At tapos po, ano pong kapalit?
Wala po, ma'am.
Wala. Tapos papayag lang kayo na pupunta kayo, na-absent kayo sa work, tapos pupunta kayo ng Pasig.
Yun lang, ma'am, di ko alam. Excuse me na lang.
Includes a very funny thing, including shipping people from Quezon City to go to Pasig City to protest the construction of the bagong Pasig City Hall. Well, that's just weird. Nakakatanga, nakakabaliw na they are kind of so out of touch and so incompetent or not confident in the sense na hindi nila sure na magkakaroon talaga ng mga tao na magpapagawa ng bagong Pasig City Hall. Maybe Vico Sotto is just that popular na...
Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series na News and Worthy Recap. Check the entire video for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na I'll make sure would be interesting to you particularly. Di ko alam yung name mo pero you should subscribe. You... Muhammad Smith? I don't fucking know. John Smith? Sa mas manunod mga kabayan, avoid me, like, subscribe, follow my links in socials and avoid shows that would be linked down below. Sa susunod muli, of course, paalam.